Here's some trees and stuff that got trimmed down a little. As you can see, those got to be cut up. The neighbor's farm. They have Morgan horses they raise and take to the fairs. There's a couple over there, you can't see them, but that's a big improvement for what it was at the beginning of the year. Haven't got this mess cleaned up. This was way. You can't fix it. It's a hard place to fix and mow because the tractor makes a big ditch there. Really deep. It's kind of deep, but anyway, that looks good. Oh, it's looking good now. Hopefully next year we can get on it again and see what happens. This one's got to go. Oh yeah, look at this. This is really where you can see the damage done by cleaning up. That's real cool. I don't know where I got so much time. I didn't do this. I had people help me here. You know, teamwork. Teamwork, you get a few people to help you and give them a meal and some money, gas money, and help you. I gotta find out and see if there's some fish in here still. Bet there's still some fish in there. This is a pond, how awesome it's starting to look. Doesn't look good, but compared to what it was, it's a big improvement. Get it back looking good. There's my little mini barn and my shop. The shop, I just do mechanic work in it. I got woodworking tools there too. So there it is. What you looking for, Diego? Hey, Diego, look. Oh, Diego don't want to look. Anyway, let's get in there. Get the fish back in here. Guys want to take a look inside my shop? That's my shop. Go in there. Yep. Go take a look. They used to keep hogs in there, the previous owner. Well, the story on this door. I ordered the materials, wood from the Amish. I got it, picked it up, really nice wood to fix the door. That same afternoon, I got a call about a job. That job lasted 11 and a half years. Never got the door fixed. Never got the door fixed. What's in here anyway? It's all in here. Let's go see. Oh, there's no bike. Yep. I think it's a Higgins. It's a bike's Higgins. We can peek. Well, not very visible. But I think it is a Higgins. Like a nice little decoration or something. Sell it for parts. It's pretty much all there. There's a little thing. Oh, I have some plywood in here. I didn't even know that. Yep. Couple ladders. Yep. Pipes. Tools. Oil cans. Antique oil cans. Some more junk. Gotta get rid of. Show you this side of the building. This was all grown all the way up to the top. Got rid of that this year. And this too. This side was all done. That mulberry tree there. Here. So it's, all these trees have been trimmed down. All this property here. There's all kinds of growth here on this car. Couldn't even open the door. You probably can't open it. Somebody smashed that window with a golf ball. Don't know who, but what's in here? Yikes. That T-Bird was really nice to drive. I drove it every way to work for many years. Actually, I bought it the same time I bought the property. And I drove it to work for about 14 years. And then it broke. It's been sitting for about 6 years, 7 years. Who am I talking to? Who am I talking to? Yeah. Funny how that side of the house is all nice. I think my neighbor pressure washed it or something. Looks like it. Anyway, looking all good. It's all good. Proud of myself. Thank you again for all the support that I got. You girls, gals, boys, girls, men, all offered their support. And I'll thank you all. Y'all helped me get this done. You know who you are. I don't have to name names, but you know who you are. That's a pup house. It's a storage shed for stuff that I don't need. Couple apple trees there. Three, one, two, three little apple trees. Got them all trimmed down. What I did get done this year is going to be a nice start for next year. Take it from there. Diego, how many times are you going to mark? Got 32 already. This little area, once we started going, we noticed that the roof had dropped like 2 inches and stuff. But we wanted to get the shingles done, so we didn't get able to fix this into here. But we'll get back on it, get that done. Okay. Take four. Don't sit under the mulberry tree. Anybody else but me. Anybody else but me. Don't sit under the mulberry tree. Anybody else but me. I'll have a happy day. Love you.